Hello everyone. So as I told you in the previous video, so automation of workflows a key role in any industry, and it is one of the quickest ways to reach functional efficiency. So, but many of us fail to understand how to automate the same task and the end in the loop of manually doing the same task again and again. So most of us have to deal with different workflows like collecting the data from multiple databases, pre-processing it, upload it, and report it, right? It would be great if our daily tasks just automatically trigger on a defined time and all the process get executed in order. So that's where the Apache Airflow comes in. So Apache Airflow is one such tool that can be very helpful. Okay, so whether you are a data scientist, data engineer, or software engineer, so you'll definitely find this tool useful. So now let's understand what is Apache Airflow. So Apache Airflow is a workflow engine, okay, that will easily schedule and run your complex data pipelines. So it will make sure that each task of your data pipeline will execute in correct order, and each task gets the required resources. Even it provides you amazing user interface to monitor and fix any issues that may arise. Okay, so I've just logged into the Apache Airflow official website. So here you can see, so Airflow is a platform created by the community to programmatically author, schedule, and monitor the workflows. Okay, so in the documentation, so here also you can see the definition. So Airflow is a platform, right? So it's a workflow engine. Okay, so where we can just easily schedule and run all this complex data pipelines. Okay, so here we have a concept of DAGs. Okay, so we'll understand that. Okay, so in upcoming videos. So just remember, so whenever we are talking about Airflow, so Airflow is just a platform, okay, to programmatically author, schedule, and monitor the data pipeline that meets the needs of most of all the stages of life cycle of workflow management. We will be discussing like four key principles. Okay, so when we talk about the airflow, okay, so first it is dynamic. Okay, so airflow pipelines are configuration as a code. Okay, so it could be any programming language like Python. Okay, so which allow for the dynamic pipelines generation. So this allows for writing the code that initiates the pipelines dynamically, and it is extensible. Okay, so where we can easily define your own operators, executors, and extend the library so that it fits the level of abstraction that suits your environment. So don't worry, so I'm using some of the words like operators, executors. If you're new to Airflow, we'll be discussing in detail in upcoming videos. So it is scalable. Okay, so Airflow has a modular architecture and uses a message queue to orchestrate an arbitrary number of workflows, okay, workers, and Airflow is ready to scale to the infinity. Okay, so these are some of the key points you can just remember when we talk about the Airflow.